back to the Entity Framework Core series. So in today's section, we will go through a step-by-step guide on how to install Entity Framework Core using Visual Studio 2022. So in this session, we will cover the basics of the setup the Entity Framework Core in .NET projects. I will go to that demonstration how to do using the console application in Visual Studio 2022 with SQL Server as our database. So actually, they have two primary methods for installation. Follow the package manager console and the NuGet package manager dialog. So So you have to create your new project in the Visual Studio 2020, and then for the project type you can choose between the variety option like console application, ASP.NET Core web application, or even the web API to keep the similar things that just do selecting console application. Once you make your selection and click next, so run your project meaningfully and hit next and then click create. So and then your application now is ready for the Entity Framework Core installation. So now that we have our project, and the next step is to install the Entity Framework or Core package. So since we're using SQL Server, we need to essential NuGet package. The first one is Microsoft Entity Framework Core SQL Server. So this package provides SQL Server specific functionality, and the second package is Microsoft Entity Framework Core tools. So these tools help manage Entity Framework Core tasks. So we use two ways to install this package using the package manager console and the NuGet package manager dialog. So about the method one is the package manager console. We need to let's start with the method. We can use sync the package manager console. So we now if you open the Visual Studio, we have to go to the package manager and see, and then you have to select the package manager's console, and then to install required package using the command install package, and then you have to type your package name. So for instance, you have to install the SQL. For instance, if you want to install the SQL Server package, type the install package Microsoft Entity Framework Core .SQL Server and enter. And once you install, you can verify the package under the dependency package. So this is a quick way to add the package direct to your project without needing to leave the Visual Studio environment. So and then NuGet package manager, about the NuGet package manager dialog. So in the solution, you can find it in the solution explorer. So just right click your project and then select the manager NuGet package, and then switch into browse the tab, and then in your and then you browse the tab and then type the name of the package you wish to install. For example, such as Microsoft Entity Framework Core .tools. So you will find an install button and then just click the install button. That's it. So both methods achieve the same result. So you can choose whatever more convenient for you. So now we go back to the program. We can have a look. So we mentioned before we have package manager control student here. So you make sure that you have already installed the Visual Studio 2020. So in the YouTube, you can find a lot of video teach you how to install Visual Studio 2020. So this time I didn't teach too much about that. You can search this IDE tools in the Microsoft website. That is totally free. You can download it. So you can, for example, you can create a project here, and then you can, because this is console project, you can find a console project. So console. So for example, right? You can choose the console apps, and then you can type your meaningful project name and select the location, and then select the framework version here. And because I already create my application, I don't need to click the create. So so we have to add the application call to the application. So we have two methods I mentioned before. The first method is using the package manager control, and second, uh, uh, we need to install a NuGet package to our system. So as I mentioned before, that we have to install with the Entity Framework Core. We should install. You can, for example, if you just right click here, you will find the NetGate package for solution. So okay, let's show out. So here you can search the you can search SQL server. Okay. There's so many you can. Let me see. Should be Microsoft. Yeah, this one. So you have to install the Microsoft Entity Framework SQL Server. So and then here we have an install. Because I already installed, I don't need to click the install button here. So if your package manager control is hidden, so where to show that you can go to, let me see, and if you hidden that, you can here go to the NetGate packages. So as you can see here, you can show your package manager's control in here. Okay, and then if you another way is just choose here, select the manage NuGet package for the solution. Okay, so you can have this interface. It's easy for you to install the necessary package. And the other thing we have to install, let me see, I told you before that this is we need to install Microsoft Entity Framework Core, and then Microsoft Entity Framework Core .SQL Server. Okay, and then Microsoft Entity Framework Core .tools. That's it. So you can search this for about this library, and then you will find the install button. So for example, I copy this here, right? And then you will find the install button here. Once I install it, the install button will dim, so I can't install now. So okay, that's all. There is to installing Entity Framework Core for your .NET project. So by now you should have accessibility adding both the SQL Server and the tools package, setting up the Entity Framework Core for your application. So thank you for joining me in this session. If you find this video is helpful, please give a thumb up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorial on the Entity Framework Core and .NET development. See you in the next video. Bye bye.